Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you that I have collected a couple of crochet kits already. Some of these have been requested by you, my awesome subscribers, and I would like to ask you to vote and let me know which one you think I should do next. As you can see, I have the capybara and the beetle and the zebra. And these are also some of them, the ones that you have requested for me to do next. But I would like to take a vote because I don't know which one I should do next. There's so many already. I hope you vote and let me know which one you'd like me to do next. If you have never seen one of the videos that I walk you through the instructions of these crochet kits, I encourage you to take a look at my playlist. I have a few of these videos already uploaded in my channel. Please don't forget to vote, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Until next time, goodbye.